Hey, I've got a 2014 Yamaha R1, which I installed this IRC QuickShifter kit on, and it went pretty smooth up until it was time to start the bike. So I'm making this video to show you how I troubleshooted that and how I fixed that. It involves messing with the programming adjustment settings in there. You want to make sure the bike is on, and you want to make sure the kill switch is flipped to run, and the programmer is going to turn on. You're going to hold both buttons until it jumps into the menu. Scroll on down to OC setting right there. Hold the bottom button and you'll have these two options, C or 0. And the issue I was having is that it was on 0 and it wasn't letting the bike start. I switched it over to C and she was good to go. Hold that upper button to get out, and then hold that button again to get out of programming mode. And she started right up. So if you guys are having that issue, hopefully that helps resolve it for you. I know it helped me. Thanks for watching.